The Kipling Abanu Multi small crossbody bag from Aspen of Hereford Limited. This very versatile little bag has a little secret up its sleeve. It has a capacity of 2 litres, which makes it perfect for a day out. You have 3 pockets. You have one on the front, you have a second bigger one in the middle, and then the biggest pocket at the back also has a zip pocket inside, which is really useful. But this little bag has a little secret, and if we unclip the shoulder strap and we look on the back of the bag, we'll find 2 zips. If we undo these, we will find the waist belt. Now this belt is really generous and it will fit up to a 44-inch waist, or that's 112 centimetres if you're being modernised. Pushes together with a simple clip, which is easy to use, and you get 2 bags for 1, which is just brilliant for a day out. This one is finished in Blue 2 and it measures 13 centimetres tall, 19 centimetres wide and 8 centimetres deep.